Hi, my name is Robert Schiefer, and I would like to walk you through my LMS page for the National University Focus on Digital Literacy Master's Program. As you can see, I've created a digital portfolio with each of the classes we have taken thus far, including the online mini course that I created for the second grade language standard of dictionary and glossary use. The first course that we took was ATP 600. Each of the assignments completed for each course are filed under each page. So you will see here the practitioner inquiry, the inspired teacher assignment, my mentor from May. I had a Q&A with my mentor Daniel and myself, my inspired teacher growth plan, and finally my journal. If you click on, some of them are in PDF form. If you click the PDF, it just opens that right away, so you can check out my journal right there. I also have this proof of my mentor right here. The next course that was taken in the program was AIL 620, and as you can see, I have these assignments listed here. A slideshow created by Moises and myself about the 4 C's of 21st century communication. The signature assignment in the far corner on this side. Field experience, that was from the first course that Dr. Navarro taught. And a learner profile page on the bottom corner section right here. And these can be expanded if you just click the full screen button right there. You see it in full version right there to make space and just alternate the viewing style. The course was AIL 622. That was taken in July of 2018. Starting to delve into the standard that we chose for our digital lessons when continued working. So my language standard was L 2.4E, use glossaries and beginning dictionaries, both print and digital, to determine or clarify the meaning of words or phrases. We unpacked the standards of that assignment. We also got with our mentor again in this month and asked and answered some questions. In AIL 624, we learned about learner literacy in terms of literature and literacy instruction. This was a slideshow about connectivism. A paper written about brain-based learning. There's a big focus on brain-based learning in this course and AIL 620. Further assignment, elaborating upon the L 2.4E standard, as well as a report on the differences between extrinsic and intrinsic motivation. In AIL 626, we started to delve into some peer-reviewed articles on a topic. The topic that I chose to research was using student-friendly rubrics as a means for students to better understand what they were being asked and to take more of an ownership of learning. So on the far side of my page in this column right here, I have the articles that I used for my research. The literature review of these articles is here. And after writing the literature review, we took the information that we learned in order to write a research proposal. And that can be found here as well. If you click right here, I also have some videos detailing some topics that we had learned so far in the master's program from National University. In ADL 630, we updated our growth plan and wrote another draft for our growth plan using information that we had learned from the previous courses in order to update that. I also have journal entries from this course listed right here. In ADL 632, I wrote another research paper on Web 2.0 technologies. In it, I researched game-based learning, augmented reality programs, AR in other words, Google's G Suite, and ebooks, the benefits and disadvantages of them. In ADL 634, we created our own online course. I created a course for second grade students to learn about dictionary and glossaries, and this video right here is just an overview of the course, so I can give you a quick recap of that. We talked about the differences between asynchronous and synchronous courses, and there's a self-assessment of my mini course. Now the mini course itself, each little section is included on this same page. The opening page, beginning quests, discussion board assignments, formative assessments, and a summative assessment. Finally, in ADL 636, we created a student-friendly rubric to go with the standard of the online course that we created. We worked on interview assessment questions for an interview professional, and we also created a mind map for our concept. Thank you for watching.